Hey there, today I will show you how to transfer money from RBC account to a BMO account quickly and easily. First of all, log into RBC online banking through their website or mobile app using your username or password. After that, once you are logged in, head to the payment and transfer section on the main menu. After that, to transfer money to BMO, we will use Interact e-transfer. Click on Interact e-transfer from the options. Now, if this is your first time transferring to BMO, click Add New Recipient. Enter the recipient name and their email or phone number and link it to their BMO account. Now enter the amount you want to send. Make sure to add a security question and answer that recipient will use to accept the transfer. Double check the details. Then click send. The recipient will receive an email or text to deposit the funds into their BMO account. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from RBC to BMO using Interact e-transfer. Thanks for watching.